Are you also filling the PhD forms? Any PhD form are you filling? If yes, then I can say please stop filling all the PhD forms. No need to fill the PhD forms which you are going to fill it in the upcoming days or today or tomorrow and whatsoever the condition is. Why I'm telling to you? Just listen it very carefully. Just stop. No need to proceed. मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? Just listen me. Because mistakes are proof that you are trying. तो ऐसा गलती मत करो. अब आप बोलोगे मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? So I can say only thing that just sit and relax. Just sit and relax. Please, please, please for at least 15 minutes जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो चीज़ फॉलो करना. Then उसके बाद जो करना है वो करना. Got it? Now, relax and just ask few questions to yourself. Very seriously, very sincerely, no cheating, guys. Now, my very first question to all of you, what is a PhD? I am not talking about the full form of PhD, I am talking about what is the PhD. No answer? Just think about yourself. I am not going to tell you any answer. I'm just telling you, just sit and relax and ask all these questions which I am going to tell you. My second question is it as easy as the post-graduation degree which you have got it? Is it PhDs as easy? No answer, na? That is why I'm telling you, just sit and ask yourself before filling any form. Now, my third question is very important. Are you built up? Are your personality? Are you that is built up for research? नहीं सोचा ना ये सब? So please think it. Now, next, which you have to ask very seriously. Can you do writing for next 4-5 years? Can you do it? Because that is one of the toughest job for the scholar, which I have seen from the past 6-7 years. So just ask yourself, can you do writing? No answer? Please get all the answer and then only proceed. Now, just think it that is it your dream degree? PhD is your dream degree or it is just a continuation of like UG and PG, you just got the JRF, you just got the NET, then you have decided because that is the sequence which my seniors have told me कि NET निकालो, NET निकालने के बाद JRF निकालो and just registered yourself in some good university like or good laboratories. So is it a continuation or is it your dream degree? No answer? Again think it. Now, what are the PhD prospects? After PhD, what are the job prospects? क्या aim है? This way, that way, the other way? No idea. अगर आइडिया नहीं है तो क्यों अभी ऐसी कोई चीज़ करने जा रहे हो जिसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता? So, please get ready for my next question that are you ready for negative or discouraging results? Because this is a PhD. This is a research of any topic, any hypothesis which you are going to perform in the upcoming years. So are you ready for the negative results? Because I cannot believe anyone who just tell me that sir, I don't get any negative results whatsoever. I have done it, I'll just complete my objective within this prescribed time. This is completely impossible. So just get ready yourself. If now finally, are you ready to spend a full time in research for next 5 years? Because this is not a part-time degree, this is not a distance course. You have to give your full time, you have to spend all your worries, all your everything just aside and you have to focus on your PhD. This is a PhD, this is the highest degree which you in which you are going to fill the form. So are you really able to spend your full time? I don't know. So I can say that if you are able to answer all these 8 questions without any fear, then start filling the application. आप जहां का भी फॉर्म भर रहे थे भरो, बेझिझक भरो. आपका JRF है, आपका LS है, आपका UGC है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर इसके आंसर्स आपके पास नहीं है तो प्लीज मत भरो. और अगर आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है और इन सारी चीजों के आंसर्स आपके पास हैं, देन गो हेड, फॉर्म भरो और उसके बाद प्रोसीड करो. और अगर इनमें से कोई भी आंसर नहीं है तो प्लीज मैसेज करो, डिस्कस करो, अपने डाउट्स को क्लियर करो. देन ओनली यू विल डिसाइड व्हाट टू डू. सो डू योर बेस्ट, टेस्ट योर लिमिट्स की आपकी हैं क्या, देन ओनली प्रोसीड. आई होप यू गेट माई पॉइंट. किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई भी डाउट हो प्लीज कंफर्म करो. बहुत टाइम है हर जगह के फॉर्म्स आने में. दिस इज नॉट अ डिप्लोमा और अ डिस्टेंस 6 month और 1 year कोर्स. सो ऑल दी वेरी बेस्ट टू यू. सारे डाउट्स को क्लियर करने के बाद ही कुछ करना. थैंक यू सो मच.